Welcome to my video of me showing love to my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you enjoyed. So today I'll show you how to remove the door handles. So yeah, let's get to it. So as always, wear your gloves and let's get started. So the first step will be is to remove the door panel. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my previous video. I'm not gonna film it again to save time. I will also put the link to the video in the description of this video. Next step is a bit messy because we need to peel this plastic cover off so we can get access to the door handle from the back. So make sure your working area or around this cover is clean from dust. If you want to stick this cover back on this adhesive, I will peel it just enough so I can get access to the door handle and I will show you. This should be enough for me. Use the door handle from the back. Next we need to unhook the unlock rod from the handle clip right there. I will move it and I will show you because it's very difficult to film while doing this. So that should be your first step, to lift the clip off the rod, and then you will need to push that rod from this side back to release it from the plastic clip. Do it carefully because if you break this clip you will need to replace the entire handle. Success. Next are two bolts holding the handle into the door. That's the easy one to access. The other one is on the other side. Toyota made this hole to access this bolt, but from experience working on the other side, if you try to peel this off, it will come off in pieces. Now I like to keep everything factory looking, so I will take the struggle and try to remove that bolt from the inside. But if you don't care, you can just peel this off and use an extension get to that bolt. Here we go. I actually managed to do it without removing this cover. Now let's remove the other bolt. These bolts are 10mm, by the way. These bolts are lightly torqued. Here we go. That's all it takes. There she is. So here's a quick demonstration about how to unhook the unlock rod from the handle clip. So let's assume this is the rod. So that's the clip I was talking about. First thing you want to do with it is to lift it off the rod like so, and then the rod will be connected like this, and you push it from here or here and pull it out from the handle. And to put it back together, it's the reverse order. You will press it back onto the clip again and then secure it by putting the clip back on it like this. Okay, let's put everything back together. Replace the handle, tighten the bolts securely and tightly. Replace the rod on the clip as I demonstrated, like so. Reseal the surface hole and replace the door panel. I will do it later because I still got some work here. And finally, let's test the door handle if it's open up normally. That's perfect. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep it on the cruisers happy and don't forget to cherish yourself. Bye.